Hello everyone, this is Professor Raghavendra Adhyapak, KLS College of Commerce, Belagavi. So in the last class, we were discussing about methods of demand forecasting. Okay, so in that we were discussing about statistical method. So in today's class, we are going to start with trend projection method. Okay, there are certain practical problems that we will see in the today's class. Okay, now first problem. From the following information of Voltas company, calculate the demand for ACs for the next 3 years. Okay, so already they given year and sales, that is sales in crores. Okay, so how many years they given? 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006. So totally 5 years data they given, and they given sales also in the crores: 25, 30, 40, 50 and 65 respectively. Okay, so now with this data we have to calculate the trend values or trend analysis for next 3 years for the AC demand of AC. Okay, so in that we have to follow a certain set steps to find out the trend values. Now we'll see those steps. First one, find out the time deviation from the mid year. Second one is square up the time deviation. Now in this case we have to square the whatever time deviation we get. Next, calculate the product of the time deviation and sales. Next, find out the values of A and B by using the equation y is equal to b plus a plus bx. The equation is y is equal to a plus bx. Okay, next is find out the trend values for next 3 years. So these are the steps which we have to follow. So now look at the solution. So here we have to write down the given values and we have to start the calculating. So in the first column you have to write the years. So how many years they already given in the problem? Let's see, 2002 to 2006. Okay, that is the first column, that is 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005 and 2006. Okay, next we have to write the sales. Okay, sales is represented as y. Okay, next this x and y's values are given for just easy to understand the calculation. Okay, so sales are for 2002 25, next 30, next 40, next 50 and 65 for the year 2006. Okay, so this is the data already given in the problem. From the third column onwards our calculation part will start. Okay, so first one is time deviation, that is denoted as x in the bracket. Okay, so we already know that the middle value is taken. Okay, that is mid year is taken as the main base for the time deviation, and that's value will be 0. Okay, so if you go the upper side of the mid year you will get the minus values, and if you go for the lower side of that mid value you will get the plus values. Okay, in this problem you can see that in the 2004, that is the mid year. Why 2004 is the mid year? Below 2005 and 2006 2 years are there, and above the 2004 2 years is there, 2003 and 2002. Correct? So 2004 is the middle point or the mid value. Correct? So in this case the mid year, that is 2004, is taken time deviation as 0, and I already told that upper side minus values: 2003 minus 1, 2002 minus 2. Same below the mid year, plus values: 2005 plus 1, 2006 plus 2. For example, if still the years are there, for example 2007 is there, 2008 is there, like that it will continue: plus 1, plus 2, plus 3, plus 4, like that. And if the values are from 2000, 2001, 2002, like that, then minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, the values will increase. So this is how we have to take the values. The midpoint will be the 0, and after that above the mid values minus, below the mid values plus. Okay, next step is square up the TD, that is time deviation. In the next column we have to square up the whatever time deviation we have calculated. Okay, so what is the first time deviation? That is minus 2. So square of minus 2, 4. Square of minus 1, 1, 0, as it is 0 only. Plus 1 square, 1. Plus 2 square, 4. Okay. Next step is we have to calculate the product of TD2 sales. So product is nothing but the column X into Y, that is sales into time deviation. Okay. So in the year, that is the first year 2002, what is the sales? 25 into what is the time deviation? Minus 2. So 25 into minus 2 minus 50. Next 2003, 30 into minus 1, that is minus 30. Next in the year 2004, the sales is 40, time deviation is 0, so 40 into 0, 0 only. Next 2005, sales is 50 into time deviation plus 1, so 50 into 1 plus 50. Next 2006, the sales is 65 and the time deviation is plus 2, so 65 into 2, 130. Okay, so this is the calculation part. Now we have to do the total of all the columns, that is year, sales, time deviation, square and the product. So these columns total we have to do now. So in the first column, what is that? Year. So total how many years are there? 2002 to 2006 means 5 years, correct? So n is equal to 5. That is the total of years. Next is total of sales, that is summation y. So what is the total of sales? 25 plus 30 plus 40 plus 50 and plus 65. So total is 210. Next we have to do the total of time deviation, that is summation x, that is 0. Plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled, plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled, the 0 will remain. Okay. Next is summation x square, means total of x square column, correct? So 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 4, 10. So these are the summation x square is equal to 10. Next, we have to do the total of last column, that is product column, correct? So what is minus 50 plus minus 30? Minus 80, okay? Plus 50 plus 130, that is 180, means minus 80 plus 180. So the summation xy is equal to 100, correct? Next we have to put the equation. What is the equation? Y is equal to a plus bx. Okay, so now we have to calculate the values of a and b. So there is a formula to calculate the values of a and b. So first we will calculate a. So a is equal to summation y divided by n. So to find out the value of a, the formula is summation y divided by n. Okay, so we already calculated the summation y. What is the summation y? Summation y is 210, correct? So 210 divided by n. So what is the number of years? That is n. We already calculated. How much? 5, correct? So 210 divided by 5, that is equal to 42. Next we have to calculate the value of b. Okay, so what is the formula to calculate the value of b is summation xy divided by x square. Okay, that is summation of x square. Okay, what is summation xy? That is nothing but total of product column. How much it is? 100, correct? So divided by summation x square. So fourth column, that is square up of td, that is x square column. What is the total of that? 10, correct? So 100 divided by 10 is equal to 10. So now what is the equation? Y is equal to a plus bx. So how much is the a value? 42. So y is equal to 42 plus b value 10x as it is. Now we have to calculate the trend values by using this equation. Okay, so what they said, calculate the trend values for next 3 years. Okay, so already they given the data till 2006. So now we have to calculate for 2007, 2008 and 2009 by using this equation. Okay, so first we will calculate the value of 2007. So 2007 is equal to, what is the equation? Y is equal to a plus bx. A and b values we already know. So what is the a? 42 plus what is b? 10. In bracket x we have to take. So what is the x value? Now if you see in the table, for the mid-year, the x value, that is time deviation column, third column, the value is 0. Next, for 2005, it is plus 1. For 2006, it is plus 2. Then what will be the for 2007? Obviously, it is plus 3. Like that, 2008, plus 4. And for 2009, it is plus 5. Okay, so that will be taken as those values. Okay, so for 2007 it is plus 3, so 42 plus 10 in the bracket, that is 3. So we have to simplify this equation. 42 as it is plus 10 into 3 30, so 42 plus 30 72. Next 2008, same, y is equal to a plus bx, correct. A is 42 plus b is 10, and the next x value will be for 2008 4, correct. So 42 plus 10 into 4 40, so 42 plus 40 82. Next 2009, same, y is equal to bx formula. So what is the a value? 42 plus b value 10. Next x value is 5, so 42 plus 10 into 5 50, so 42 plus 50 is 92. So the probable sales during the next 3 years will be 72, 82 and 92 respectively. Means in the 2007 the sales will be 72, 2008 the sales will be 82, and in the year 2009 the sales will be 92. So they have told only trend projection for next 3 years, so we already calculated for the next 3 years, that is for 2007, 8 and 9. This is how we have to solve those problems.